Nice save.
I'm used to my RC car. I just don't want mine to tip
Dude,
over
you
the
drive,
water.
you're a natural.
I'm just
Here,
used
you want to drive this one?
Sure.
It's a very expensive radio, so please don't get ready to drop it.
Oh, man.
Here, wait. Watch this. Watch this. Step. Watch.
Dang it. Can't
Here.
make that without flipping
You
it.
hold this, keep it pointed at the RC, and I'll make it up.
Watch how fast it's gonna go.
Alright, this is YouTube right now?
Yes.
See?
It's kind of hard to do this when little kids are running around.
No,
You can't even get it to the rock.
I might know what to do.
What? This goes fast.
Oh, he actually might make it. Oh, no.
No, I'm gonna make it. I might not make it. I can make it up right there, I guarantee it. The wheels are walking up.
Are they? Go a little more to the right.
Is that actually a roller?
Ooh. Oh, he made it.